Right, so we are gonna try and do the death. But first, we have had some sound effects. I haven't listened to them yet, so let's get in there. Let's get in there and see what they sound like. So, SP has been fighting. He's been fighting with Goat Tracker. And he's come up with some. So let's listen. That's only 8 seconds long. That is excellent. That is way more than I could ever do. What's this? Boing. Oh, this was the boing, wasn't it? Yeah. That was the boing. And then we've got this one. Oh dear. I gotta stop. Oh dear. God, it's a bit warm in here now. I don't know what we would use. I don't know what we would use that for. I have no idea what we'd use that for. Oh, Nico appearing. Oh, we haven't even thought about that, have we? Nico appearing. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, because we haven't even thought about that, have we? Oh, dear. But that's really, really... Yeah, that is... Saying that's only 8 seconds long... That could get away with, couldn't it? And it's only one channel. We've also got some sound effects from Warlock, but I don't know how to load them up in Goat Tracker. Goat Tracker is just a whole different world. Hang on. Nope, not answering that one either. Oh, hang on then. Let me load it up. Go to the instrument. How do you... What's... Is this... No, that's the wavetable. What's the instrument section? Tab. Ah. F10. Aha. Right, okay. Commodore. Scroll to the bottom. Effects. Effects. How do we play it then? Tab into the wavetable in its space. Did anybody hear that? Oh, okay. F10. Eat cookie. Ooh. Back. No, back. That's it. F10. Growing. Okay. F10. Hit wall. Now that's the sort of sound that I would make. That's the sort of sound that I normally get out of Goat Tracker. So how would we get all those sound effects into out? Yeah, Mike did a couple, didn't he? And he baffled the bejeebers out of me. I'll send those to you. Yeah, see if you can make some things. You need to convert them. There is a tool, is there? All right, I'll let you guys sort it out. But if you need them sound effects, let me know. Yeah. There is a is there? Because I got the source code. I got the source code for Goat Tracker. Right, there's the source code. There, look. That's all the source code. So I've been trying to see how it does it. You're saying there's an ins to sound. I don't know. It's beyond me. That was my tutorial there. That was my tutorial there. Hang on. How do I load it in? F10? Oh, no. Back up. C drive. Docs and settings. No. Oh, it's users, isn't it? Me. Where's desktop? There we go. C64. Goat Tracker. Win32. How do I play the music? How do I play it? F10? No? F1? That's as far as I got. That's as far as I got. I am rubbish. I am rubbish. I'm not gonna. That's as far as I got. I gave up because it was just... Yeah. Anyway. Right then. So. Today we're going to try and build the state for when you lose a life. Yeah? So I'm going to try and build the state for when you lose a life. And also I've got an idea for when we move from one map to the other that I want to run past you and see if it's worth doing or not. So let's get started, yeah? So the sound effects, I mean, we can put the sound, we could put that that 8-second clip in and get it running round, but we'll do it later on if we've got time, yeah? And then we can mess around. So what I'm thinking of doing is for when he eats himself, yeah. All I'm thinking about is, do we do the same as what we do when we move from one map to the other? Do we present the same screen? Yeah, but we just reset the timer. Take a life off, and that's it, isn't it? It's just basically the same sort of thing as on the map transitioner. But I do want to change the map transitioner. Do I do that first, or do I do that later on? Oh, what decisions. I'll do the transitioner, because that's, I think we should use the same screen, but instead of it saying instead of it progressing to the next map, we put on there, you know, you died or whatever. But what I want to do is I want to change the way we've got the next screen. So if I run it, right, I'll do the sound effects. Because we have to do sound effects for that as well. Right, here. I want to change this, right? I want to put next level is 2. Number of cookies to collect, 1. Score per cookie and score per crumb. So the user can see progression, yeah? So when we get to 2 cookies, it would say 2 cookies. You need to collect 2 cookies and 3 cookies and stuff like that. That's what I'm thinking. And I'm thinking that we use the same screen for when you're dead. The only difference is we don't do this down, because you don't get the bonus for dying, yeah? But just give it the same screen and maybe a different sound effect, you know, dun dun dun, or something like that. What do you think? Is someone pinging me on Discord? Hey, pan spinning kids, welcome. Is the Raiders still here? They're very quiet, aren't they? So that's what I'm thinking of doing. I want to give the person to see when they move to the next map what it entails, yeah. And same with the death. It would just show the current stats, yeah. So I might as well do the next level, because that will reflect on the current as well, sort of. So I need to create a new HUD file because I want to do it. I'm going to do it in what's it? Oh, my brain is so fried today. Right, where's the HUD? Oh, it was HUD v2, wasn't it? That's the one. So if I... That was the one, wasn't it? Yes. So if I create another one. And this one we will call... we'll call... No. There we go. I'll call it that. Right, so what I want to do is let's wipe all this lot out. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, FaiRLane. That's what I was thinking. Whoops. That the play would get ready for the next challenge, yeah? So we'll do this. We'll do a similar sort of thing as we've done with the HUD, yeah? So let's get this on. So let's do this next. So we've got next level, yeah? Let's get the words on here and then we can move them about if we don't like it. So next level. And... Right, so so the cookies. What should we say that? Just cookies to collect, something like that, or just cookies? What do you think? Do you think cookies to collect is too long, or just cookies? You idiot, John. Oh no, we'll do this. There we go. Cookies to eat. Right. I should have really copied and pasted that, but I didn't. Oh, we've got one. Nice. Well future-proofed, mate. Yeah. So cookies is equal to so many points, and I suppose we'll be able to put crumbs in there. Crumbs. This is where you see my horrible spelling. Oh, I may have spelt that right. Right. Grab that. Copy. Paste. Right. What else should we tell them? There's not really much else to tell them, is there? Hey, Proton. So they're the major things. They're the major things, aren't they? So it's the number of cookies to collect, the points, what level you're on. We don't need to tell them about all the secret stuff like the speed or anything, do we? I don't think we need to tell them how fast the timer's going to go down, do we? Yeah, this is where Kiss helps, yeah. So, I think this is enough information to for them. So, let's try and make this a little bit easier on the eye, yeah? How's that look? Oh, you've gone back to 6502 as well. Yes, I'm giving C++ a bit of a rest, except for when I'm building this. Oh, that. It wasn't a good generation day today, by the way. I think the stats have already come up. I think my self-consumption rate was massive. Is he asleep? Yeah, I think he's got a cold. Right. I think that'll work, yeah? I think that'll work. Does that look alright? I bet if I rustled a bag he'd wake up. Right. Let's save that and let's export. We're just going to export the map. Because we don't need to export everything else because we've kept the character set the same. So we'll just export the map. Now, did we? Yes. Oh, that's drawing the text, isn't it? Did we have a routine? I will have a look at that later, mate. I will have a look at that later. Because I have been lurking on some of your streams, by the way. Right, so initialize. So this is doing... Is that loading? That's loading the map. Right. Oh, I could have really try and... Your first piece of C++ for two decades. Well, I can beat you on that. Because it was the first C++ in 3 for me. I can beat you on that. Yeah, but I'm probably older than you anyway. So, right. I'm going to convert... I'm going to convert this into a macro. So I'm going to convert this into a macro, right? Because I'm going to be using the same thing again and again, yeah? So where's the macros we've got down here? Where did I put the macros? Oh, not in there. But I can put the macro in here anyway, so let's do it. Right, so go away. Oh, here he goes. It's off again. Where is it? Must be maps. There we go. Here we go. This is the sort of thing I want. Right, so we're going to call this the HUD initialize map. Right, and what we need to put in is map address. Screen location. Oh no, screen address. Let's keep it. Oh, John. Screen address. Keep it like so. And what else do we need? So screen address. We need the character offset and char attributes. Oh, you're looking at his thing? Well, let's have a look then. Oh, that's just showing off. That's just showing off. Yeah, that's just showing off. Well, that's it. I'm not showing other people. I'm not. It's very good, mate. It's very good. Very good. I'm not showing other people's stuff off. No. Right. So let's change this. So map address is going to be there. Yeah. Screen address is going to be there. Character offset is going to be there. And char attributes is going to be there. Now, right, so we can work this out. We can work that out, and that's what we're going to do here. Yeah. So we're going to do LDA, get the lowest value of the screen address, store it in color low, which will be here. Ooh. Question: do we have to make it? Do we have to make it a temporary one? Will that work as a temporary one? Oh no, we can do this, can't we? We can do this. Dot label color address equals screen address plus color RAM offset. That should do it, shouldn't it? And then we use that here. That should do it. Oh, but we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, rats. That's a problem. That's a problem, isn't it? Right. Number of lines. And we'll put 40 in there so we know how many columns. Right, so we need to put the number of lines in there. Oh, that's going to be annoying. Come on. Ooh. That looks odd. Oops. How's that look? Easier when it's, yeah. But we can do 6 lines and say do this. like that. $255. I just wanted to use the Y indexer, yeah? I didn't want to have to mess around with the screen addresses. I think that'll do. I think that'll do. I think that will do. Let's get rid of that other one. I can work with that. So that means this wouldn't be too much of a problem. So instead of number of lines, it would be map size. And the map size would be here. So that should take care of everything. So we don't need that now. So if we go back to the top and replace this one. So first things first is the map address, which is that. Then the screen address, which is that. Then the... what's next? Character offset, which is that. What's next? Character attribute, which is that. And last but not least, map size, which is that. I was just wondering if we could do that. Right, let's see if we've broken it. Does that still work? Yep, the HUD's still working, so that macro now works. Right. So that macro now works. So what we can do now is we can put that into our logic here. Yeah. So we can initialize the map. Let's put the map into our place. Where did we put the maps? That's the next level location. So this oh, it's in maps. Leave blank characters at the beginning and the end of the line. Yeah, yeah, done that. So that's there. So we'll put the maps in here, and we will add them to the map area. In fact, where's the HUD? There. Put them in there. We'll put them in there. So next level map. forgot what I called it. Transition. There we go. Right, so here it's 240 characters, so we need to work out where we want to put it on the screen. So let's create some labels in constants. We don't need that now. We don't need that. Right, so next level screen location. Let's put it at 5 and then we'll work his way down, yeah? So next level screen location, we'll say 5. There. The character offset's going to be the same. Ooh. That. And then we put it in the HUD, didn't we? So there, like so. Oh, no, not there, John. There. Right. Let's see. If my maths work. Oh, the next level's still there, isn't it? So the next level needs to come back 1, 2, and it needs to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back 2, up 5. Back 2, up 5. And we will get rid of that because that's the thing that was confusing me. There we go. There we go. Right. So cookies to eat. Is down 2 from next level. Cookie points. Is down 2 and back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And crumbs is down down 6, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across 5. Right then. Let's get those in there and then we'll try and get them done as well. So we'll do it here. So, cookies to eat. Location is add to minus 12. So that's 11. Next one is cookies points. So that was adding 4, so 5 plus 4 is 9. Oh. That's 11. And crumbs, points, location. Right, that one's plus 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. And then we add 5 onto that. It's going to be 28. Cool. Good job, Andy ain't on, is he? He'd been going bonkers with me mixing hex and decimal together. Right.
Oi, John. Take a drink.
Thank you. Thank you. Right, so let's do the number of cookies to eat, and we are looking for the storage value. I think it's that. Let's see what we mess around with when we do the updates. So that's the storage. Oh, I'm lost. Right, hang on. Let's get rid of that breakpoint. Oh. Game playing. Right, so that's the cookie detected. We reduce cookies left, and then we go into initial play. Increase the map, increase the current level. Oh, that's Nico. I keep seeing that in the background. Ah. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's the crumb accumulator. Hang on. Where's the cookie one? Was a reset here. Okay, where's the cookie one? Am I being thick here because I can't see it? There's the crumb. Where's the cookie? Oh, am I going blind? Oh, it's there. Ugh. Oh, in the wrong place. That's the number we're after. Init cookie value. That's the one that we're after. Oh, that was hard work, John. Right. So now we just want the scores. So we'll do the cookie point. Crumbs. Right then. So do we increase the value? Do we increase the value? No, we don't. Right, so when we add a cookie, oh, there it is, cookie score. Oh, that's the cookie digit. Well, that's going to be annoying. It's a different way of doing it, but that's fine. Let's grab that. It's a different way of doing it. That's all right. And I presume the crumb score is the same as well. Hang on. Yep. Oops, I'm missing the index. Right. Let's see. Ooh. Well, I'm out by 2 there. And the crumb score is not even showing. So I'm out by 2 there. Or am I? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Because it's 9, and that's going to be 26 then. So a crumb is 1. Oh, I don't think we can do that, can we? It's that. Right, that's because of our offset, our character offset. So instead of putting the value directly on the screen, I'm adding it to it. So it should be right now. There we go. Cookies are 2 points, but the crumbs is not coming up. The crumbs is not coming up. Which is 1 point. Right, so let's see where that's putting it. No, in the initialization, right? No, did we say the crumbs are 1 point? Yeah, cookie score is 2 points and crumb is 1, but it's not putting the 1 on there, so we need to find out why. We just need to see where it's doing it. Hello. We was watching your stream. Discord. Oh, I missed it. I missed it again. There we go. Right, Discord. Wow. 74 max viewers. Wow. How many? 1, 2, 3 green arrows. You're doing better at the Twitch stats than I am. Some more impressive numbers there. So very impressive numbers, right? 05, 05, D2, 05 D2, 05 D2. That's that. Oh, 05 D2. That's nowhere near it, is it? Hey, Fizzog. That's nowhere in it near, is it? Is it? It's not even anywhere close. Am I a line too low? Am I a line too low? Let's see. Let's see. Yep, line too low. From the stats, it looks like you had a good stream. Oh, missed it again. Oh, one out. One out. Did you get any raiders? John needs to add a cookie. I got more followers, but your chat blocked my messages. What you mean my chat blocked your messages? Put it in Discord what you was trying to say in chat. Oh, you got 2 raids. No wonder your numbers are impressive. Ah, it's because you used the word followers. You can't do that. If you'd have done 6 new follows, it might have let you through. Yeah. If you'd have typed in 6 new follows, then it would have allowed it. It's Twitch stopping spamming. No, it's not John Bot. This is Twitch. This is actually Twitch stopping the word followers coming through. To stop spamming. Yeah, you got 6. Stats are impressive. 123 new unique views. 155 live views. John got jealous and was trying to ban you. No, that is not true. That is not true. Right, now that's working. Let's make this into a function. So we're going to take this. Need to spice up the coding. Yeah. Right, so we're going to take this and we're going to create a routine for it. So this is let's see, new level info screen. That's what we'll call it. Paste it in there. You can do an RTS. So this will do the new level info screen. So that will display it, and so we can use it when we do the death system. So reset game. So this is it here. So we'll just do JSR that. Right, so that should still give us the same thing. Here we go. Yep, that works. That works. So we should, when it gets another cookie, alright, I'll talk to you tomorrow about the bot. I think Twitch has been having some chat issues because even on this stream it booted me out of chat and then put me back in. Night night. Talk to you tomorrow. Did that say 2? Yeah. Yeah, I thought it said 1. So we need to move this. Yeah, we need to move this. We need to move all of this, except for that. We need to move all of that to beforehand, so it works it out. So we'll put it in there, so it works it out. Right, let's see if that does it right now. I thought there was a bug on the hood then, but it wasn't. Yeah, that's something that we need to do as well. Keep the animation going. Oh, I forgot there was a sneaky way through. Right. Right, cookies still at 1. There we go. Now we're at 2. Excellent. Yeah, have you noticed the animation stops? There, the animation stopped, look. So, might need to do something about that. Thought there was something up then with him.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
I'll give him one of these. It's going to make the room smell. You want one of these? Want one of these? In your bed. In your bed. Aston, in your bed. Night night, FaiRLane. There we go. He's enjoying a smelly fish. You enjoying that? Right. I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that we'll leave that for the moment. Right, now now we've got that sorted, we can do the death. Yeah, the death. So let's get the death. So this is game dazed. So that's that's where we want to be in. So we're going to do the same thing as what we've done here. Yeah. Grab that. Put that in there. You wanting another one? Hey? Do you want another one? Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends. Don't look at me like that.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, look at this. SP's done it again for you. You want another smelly fish? You want another smelly fish? Hey? You want another smelly fish? In your bed. In your bed. Yeah. You know, he's not going to eat it in his bed because it'll stink his bed out. Oh, they stink. They stink. Right. So we've got the clear snake, and then we can do the new level. Yeah, they do stink, mate. They do stink. Do the information, which is the level. And then we're not going to do the timer. But we will display the fire and do that. So that's going to clear the map, clear the snake, put the information on the screen. Then it's going to draw press fire, and then it's just going to go, it's just going to loop back round, yeah? So we need to decrease the lives, number of lives. Game vars. Have we got lives in there? No, we haven't. Right, so number of lives, we'll put that in the initializer. Start of game, initialize game, so that's going to go here. Ooh. You alright? You alright? You alright? You sure? You finished? Sneezing again. Oh, where's he off to? It needs to be a power up in the game. Super sneeze. What's the matter? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Look at him. Oh, can you see him? Oh, you can just see his head, can't you? What's up? What? Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm not in control of your treat distribution, mate. What? What? Alright then, I'll give you another one. Just because you've been good. Don't play me up. There you go.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
In your bed. Oi. In your bed. Go on in your bed. Oi. Oi. Little sod. Get in your bed. Oh. Gonna have to mop this floor up now. Thank you for the bits, SP. I'm making a mess of my floor. Oh dear, never mind. I'm not that daft, Dad. Yeah. Right. Oh. Right. Where were we? Get dazed here. So we need to decrease number of lives. Decrease. Does that set the 0 flag? I think it does. But let's just confirm. Yes, it does. Right. So branch if not equal to continue game. But if it is 0, we need to change this. And what do are you still munching? He's still munching. Right. So we need to do then initial end dead. So that's the next state. We've decreased the number of lives and then we are dead. So what? What? He's going, right, and the next one, where's the next one? Alright, mate. You're not getting away with it this time. Oh, look at that, there's 2 in that one. Ah, massive. It's in your bed. Go into your bed. They're in your bed. Use your nose. You'll find them. Over there. Look. Over there. Over there. Over there. In your bed. God, you're not deaf at all. Did you say you need to update the bot in Git? Yeah, I didn't upload the NeoPixel code to GitHub. Yeah? I didn't upload that code because I thought that might confuse a lot of people if they haven't got NeoPixels. There we go, he's found it now. It's in there, mate. It's in there. Come here. So if you do what I'd said this at the start of the stream, rem out all the matrix lines and do the pip installs. No, you don't need that. No. You don't need that. You won't. You only need. You only need those there and one more, which is gone because I reset it in there. That. They're the only ones you need. Them. Alright? Right. Back to this. Right, so number of lives is 0. We go back. Now, here we need to remove one of the lives. Yeah? We need to remove one of the lives. So when we continue, we put the information on the screens, but we need to go and then remove a life. Do we have the lives location? Yes, we do. Oh, that's the heart. That's the heart. Okay. I think we should be able to work it out from the heart, that. Oh, it's these. Right. So we can work that out. Okay. So we can use that. So once we've decreased it, we need to load it. We'll load it into X. Grab this. And but at the moment, did we put 6? Did we put 6? Did we put 6 on the screen? Oh, yes, we did. Okay. Let's go back. Right, that's back to how it was. So, let's just work this through. I think he now needs a drink. All those fishies. Where am I? I'm going all over the place. Right, here we go. Right. So if we load naught, which is a space, number of lives. So when it goes to 5, we put a space in the 5th one, so we can't. We need to iron exit and then put the space on the... Are you wanting to go out? You want to go downstairs? Hey? Right, I won't be a second. Let me just take him downstairs. Come on then. Come on. Let's see. Now, we need a way of changing state. We need a way of changing state. So we do... where... Because we do it with the wall, don't we? We do it with the wall. Where is the wall? Aha, here we go. So we could do it here. We could do it here. And do exactly the same thing, but this time hit ourselves. Now here we can set the dazed, which is this. Hang on, mate, hang on. In the code you have to import the config, but there is no config. There should be a config.py. There should be this. Yeah? So if we look in the GitHub, Oh, you're joking? Has it lost my... Now, example config.py. Yeah. So this is. So you need to rename this example to say config.py. Yeah. So you either rename it or copy it, and then you fill out all the bits. Yeah. All right. No, it's all right, mate. I called it example config, so it wouldn't get confused with my config. All right. Right. So we hit himself. We go to dazed. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Right, so this should work. Right, so I'm going to double back on myself. Here we go. Right, press a fire. Oh. Right. I wondered where it was then. Reset gameplay. It's up here. Ah, here we go. Here. Right. So we reset the number of lives. We need to go LDA hash constants dot off. Store it in there. Right. When... Got to do the timer when the timer runs out as well. Now, I think we've already done that. When the timer runs out. Yes. But it's not reset play now, it's doing this. It's doing that. Why do I increase the map when the timer runs out? That's strange. Right. Let's see if we've got this working now for the death. So, I'm going to double back on myself, yeah? Here we go. So, that works. Press fire. Should be back on the same one. Right. Press fire. Oh. I was trying to back into myself. Let me make myself a little bit longer. Oh, there we go. Doof. There's something going wrong there. We're in multicolour mode at the bottom. Do we need... Oh, hang on. Where am I checking that he hits himself? Oh, I'm in here. So, right, okay. We don't need to do this. We don't need to do that. Right, let's just get him a little bit longer. There we go. That's it. That's better. But I did notice that... So we'll clear the snake before we... Oh, the clear the snake doesn't actually clear it off the screen, does it? Maybe... Because we know we're not going to be in multicolour mode. We can do that, clear the screen and then come back out again. Let's see if that sorts that out. Right, here we go. Back on ourselves. Yes. That sorts it. That sorts it. Right, let's get the timer to run out. No, the multicolour map won't be a problem because we're in multicolour mode in this because of Aston, yeah? So it doesn't matter if the map's multicolour. Because that's one of the next things I'm going to put in. Right, I'm just waiting for the timer to run down, so I'm hitting the wall to make it do it quicker. See if it knocks a life off. I did think about messing about with this colour. Then we will put the multicolour map in, mate. We'll put the multicolour map in. Alright, and we'll test it out. We'll just let this run down. There we go. Yay! Oh, and we've got an extra life. Now, why did we have an extra life? Why is that? Oh, that's in here. That's in there. Right. No problem. No problem. We can sort that out. We'll grab that code. And we'll go back to here. Because we initialised the map there. And then I bet we draw the hood, don't we? put it there. Yeah, we'll get it in there, mate. We'll get it in there. Can you remember what the character for the heart was? I ain't got it in there. Let's have a look. Oh, I've just realised what the problem is. Hang on, my bad. I've just realised it's not in there. That's not the place to be looking. The place to be looking is where we do the animation. The animation. Soon you will be powered by OSK. Nice. I've forgotten where the animation is. It must got to be in the map, surely. Surely it's got to be in the map. No, it's not in there. Must be in the HUD then. Here we go, animate HUD. There we go, just spotted as it went past. Animate HUD. Right, so it's this here. Heart animation. There we go. That is the problem. So, game storage. Number of lives. Right, so that should keep our heart count right. Here we go, die. Well, it did, but we didn't wipe out. We didn't wipe out the heart. Oh dear, what have I done? What have I done? That should have done it. No, you don't need to come out the matrix class because you'll never... Remember, Python is interpretive. So if it doesn't go to that Python class, it won't use it. Yeah, I'm just checking now. So we're decrementing 1B68. Right, 1B68. There, so that's there. So that should become a 5. Branch if not equal, which is right. Do I want to go in there? No. So let's put a breakpoint there and we tell it to go through that. There we go. So it's put the screen on. So now we're getting our 5. Make it 6. Load 0. Right, hang on. Let's find 07CA. CA, which is there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Let's see. I think I know what the problem is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Poo. Go on. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for it. Go on.
Ah! What a plank.
Docster's got a lot to answer for. Oh dear. Decrement there. We don't need that. He's got a lot to answer for, Docster. He's got a lot to answer for. Right. Back. Right, we're down to 5. Next. Down to 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Yeah. I think we're going to the wrong place. So this is dazed. Oh, we haven't done the death, have we? We haven't done the game over. Yeah, we haven't we haven't done the game over. We've just done the dazed. So that's going into the game over screen now. Yeah, that's going into the game over screen. Right. I was a bit worried then. I thought I'd done something wrong, but it isn't. No, all it does is RTS. So we are in here, game over. So it's just doing an RTS. So it's an infinite loop at the moment. So that's what we need to do, is then to do the game over screen. So I haven't even thought about what I'm going to do for the game over screen. Not even thought about it. I didn't know whether to do something. Yeah, yeah, I suppose. I was trying to. To be honest, I think the grey would work on the brown anyway. I think. Because there's the other one, yeah. There's the other. You've got. There's another one, isn't there? There's that one. And there's that one. See, what I was thinking was, I don't want to not use this. What I was thinking was using this on the game over screen. So you would see that, and then underneath it would say game over. Phase is powered by the game by the bot. So if I go into your chat now, I can mess around with your bot, yeah? Ooh. Let's do it, boys and girls. Let's do it. Doink. Oh, look. What can I do? Oh, I don't have admin rights. Why can't I see me? Oh, you must have changed that command. Hello, few bits. Welcome. Welcome. Oh, you've taken the list out as well. Oh, you must have taken that. No. Alright then. Well, it worked because it did my shout out. It did the shout out for me. Right, let's get back. So what I was thinking was putting this on the game over screen. So, yeah. So I was thinking of doing that. So have Aston eat, and then underneath it would be game over. Yeah. Yes, you need to make the bot a moderator. Yeah. Or it'll be timing out. It'll be timing out. Because if you do the list, it'll say that you're trying to put too many lines on the screen too quick. So you need to make it a mod. I bet that's why the list didn't come up. Yeah, you need to make that Prince Phase bot a mod. No. Is it list or is it help? Oh, it's help. There you go. Ram. I like it. Ram. Oh, look at that. Shows old school coders. Get upside. Is that right? So it is. Right, I'll point you where you need to, what you need to change for that, mate. You need to change that. In this commands JSON, in there, you need to change it so put your Discord link in. And get rid of any commands that you don't want in there. So the GitHub one, point it to you. Leave the kick tools if you want. Yeah. All right, and take the word of old school coder out as well. You know, put yours in as well. Yeah. So that's in the commands.json. Yeah. All right, that's that. But there you go, live testing for you. Live testing. Right, where were we? Can use the other black and white one, but move the characters to match. Oh, you've sent me a better one, have you? Hang on. Let's have a test 2.2. Yes. Yeah, so... Good morning, sir. Hope you've got coffee in hand, mate. Because I could do with one. Yeah, I'm not very good with Goat Tracker, so I'm going to try and see if we can get them into something I can use. I'm going to send them to SP because see if we can make some get some SID sound effects out of them so we can use them, yeah? Or what we need to do to make it, yeah? But we did play them. We did play them. I think we're going to use some of them. Because we got the majority of them. We just need to get them into a format that I can use. I'll let SP figure that out. He's done a brilliant in-game tune. It only lasts 8 seconds, but it's brilliant. Hang on. Where is it? Oh, wrong one. Here we go. Yeah, it's only 8 seconds long. Funky, yeah, that's what. Who else said it was funky? Right, game over. Right, so if we put that on the screen, then we only have to worry about putting the text on. Game over. She's a bop. Who's a bop? Oh, you mean the... Right.
Boy, John, take a drink.
Thank you. Right. So if we export this, we're going to have to put it in a character set. Wow, it's 140 characters as well. Where are we going to put that? Oh, that's going to be a problem, isn't it? Oh, yeah. That's going to be a problem. If it's 140 characters, we haven't put any code in. Do we keep... Oh, that's the thing. Do we keep the HUD? If we don't keep the HUD, then that's not a problem. Do we keep the HUD? Oh, we've got to because we need the words. Oh, no! Rats. Is Aston's in the other bed? I can hear his stomach growling. Oh, he's in the other bed. I can hear his stomach growling from here. You can see his head. Oh, yeah. Let's move that out of the way. Yeah, he's there. I think he's got a cold. I think he's got a cold. Right, okay, so we're going to... Because I can't even put this into another character bank because... Oh. That's annoying. That is annoying. But then again, we don't need the hood, do we? We don't need to show the hood for the game over. That's it, game over. So we could put this in a different character bank and put the hood character set not at 128, say at 196, so it's out the way, or even at 150 or something like that, and then we could do that. Okay, we need to change that macro then. We need to change that macro. So instead of doing or, we're going to do CLC add. That should sort that out. Let's just make sure, so if it's still running okay. Yeah. So we could let's get it on the screen. Let's get this on the screen. So we're gonna have to export this, yeah? So let's export all the essentials. Right, let's bring it in. So now we'll call it title for the moment. Title 02. We're going to need to bring we'll need to bring the character attributes in as well. Right, so where are we going to put so 3000, what's the next one? Three eights the next one. Hang on a second. Right, so we got 99 characters there, yeah. See, that's still not enough. 140 plus 99 is too much. But then again, we don't need all this lot. Yeah, 140 plus 99 is 240. Okay. So yeah, we could get it all in, couldn't we? We could get it all in. Did this have any spare characters? No, right. So we need to, if that's 139, then we need to bring it to 140. So 140 times 8. Right. So if we bring the title character set and then this straight after, like that, we might be able to fit it in. Alright. So, first things first. So on the game over, we'll go back to initialize the game, yeah? Or choose difficulty, I think. Yeah, we'll go to choose difficulty. So we may need to move this to choose difficulty here. So the character set's in the right, it's in the right place. Alright, so we'll grab this and then we'll put it in game over. But that needs to be that. And that's not the right place. Right. Let's start by getting the text on the screen. So if we grab that, right, so HUD level 2 map. Screen location. Well, that is going to be... We'll just put it in screen RAM first. So that's the top of the screen, yeah? The offset is going to be 0. And the character attributes is going to be that. And it was 5? 5, so that's 200 characters. So we'll put in the no, we'll put the keyboard, the mouse thing in there, because we may have to change that macro. So that should stop it. Right, let's see if we can get the game over screen. So I'm going to set the number of lives to be small. Where did I put? Number of lives. That's got to be. I've lost it. Where I've just put the there it is. Well, that can't be there. That can't be there. That's going to have to be in the difficulty. When the difficulty is chosen, we reset the number of lives. So we're going to put 1 there. Right, let's see what we get. Oh. Here we go. But hey! We're not setting the colours though. We're not setting the colours. Why are we not setting the colours? Is that not the right colour? That is strange that that colour's like that. Character 128. Well, it's definitely not set to that colour. Title 02. Have I loaded the wrong... No, they're the right ones. Oh dear. Okay. So HUD 2, screen RAM, no offset, the character attributes. So that's right. Why are we getting silly stuff then? The colour address is the screen address plus the offset. That's right. Hang up from the map. Well, let's knock it down 40. Let's see if the colour moves with it. Right. Have we got any crossover? So we're not crashing into anything. Must be something wrong with this then. So it's yeah, everything's 0. It's just the space is cyan. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. I am 128. It's strange how it's character 128 that's cyan. It's strange, but we'll change it because it's going to be that colour, isn't it? Save, do a quick export. So that was the problem. So 128. Why was 128 significant? Right, so we've got that. We just need game over now, don't we? Um, 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 um. I was trying to see if I could be different. Whoops. No, that's not going to work, is it? That's not going to work. Had thought of doing the words using Aston. Alright then. Alright then. You can see where I was coming from, yeah? Trying to make it different. See, I don't think this is going to work if we try and do this. Game. Oh, that doesn't look like an R, does it? Oh, now it does. Yeah, I was thinking of something like that. I'm rubbish at this sort of thing. I am rubbish at this sort of thing. Let's just play with this. Let's export this. We'll just export the map because that's all we need. And see if we can bring this in. So we'll put game over in there. Right. In the logic, we'll do this. We'll add another one of these. So, just for ease first, we'll do this. 10 times 40. And so it's game over. And it's our character attributes. But the offset is 140. And how many lines was it? 5, so that's 200. Right, let's see if that pops up. Right, die. Here, let's get rid of that. Where's the other one? There. Years. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that. Right. Okay, let's do the update. All right, let's do the update. So, where's my not getting suggestions? Where is it? Current state. Here we go. Right, so we have done the lives. Right, so we've got the death flag and the death sequence. So that's in progress. That's done. That's done. Sound effects. We need sound effects. Right, so that's what we're doing at the moment. Change to bar, which is done. You got your second coffee. It'd be too late for me to get a coffee today. I'll never get sleep. And I'm not allowed them. I'm not allowed them. I hate the decaf. I can't understand why. I can buy a decaf coffee from Costco, but I cannot for the life of me get one that I can do at home. No, mate, I'm not allowed coffee, mate. Not allowed caffeine in any way, shape, or form. So, you know, things like Dr. Pepper, Coke. I mean, Coke have brought out a caffeine-free one. So I've been trying that, and that's yeah, heart, mate, heart. It's like chocolate. It's got caffeine in it. Oh, I'm absolutely gutted. I can't have chocolate. Absolutely gutted. But I'm allowed to have. You accidentally bought a 10-pack of no caffeine, no sugar Coke. To be honest, mate, I can't tell the difference. To be honest, can't tell the difference. And I'm a Coke person, yeah? Hence why I've got heart trouble. Because I can't have Red Bulls, energy drinks, or anything like that. Can't have it. Hence why it's just water. It's just water. Not for the taste, you just want the caffeine. Well, be careful, mate, because you might end up like me. I think that's what's given me all the heart troubles, is the amount of caffeine I drank in a day before my troubles was just incredible, because I was drinking Coke, Dr. Pepper, Red Bulls, you know, that sort of thing, and you don't think to yourself, oh, this is another dose of caffeine, and this is another dose of caffeine, and this is another dose of caffeine, and it's putting your heart under strain. You only have 3 to 4 coffees in the morning. I wish I could have that many coffees. But I can't buy the decaf stuff. Well, the instant decaf stuff is... Anyway, right. Yeah, if I accidentally, do you know when you go to the coffee shop and you say decaf coffee and they accidentally give you a proper one, yeah, I can tell, right? I can tell that I've had it, and yeah, it's not pleasant. It's not pleasant. Anyway, right, guys. Okay, so it's 11:30. So we've done the death, and we've got the death screen done. Now we do it. Now it's so we've got to do the game over screen. And we'll come up with something. Then we need to do the right. So these are the things that we've got to do. So let's add them in. Right. So choose difficulty screen. Game start screen. Game start screen. Choose difficulty screen. Yeah. We need in-game music. Start music if we've got time. I'm just thinking, when you choose the difficulty, it'll go straight into the game. We don't need any screen there. You've sent a quick test in Discord. I can see where you're coming from. I can see where you're coming from. Dude, I'll let you continue with that and see what you come up with. But I can see where you're coming from. And what I'll do is, still working on the A. What I'll do is, I'll get the multicolour map in as well, so we can test that out. Now, I know we haven't got much time, so I might do a weekend stream. Yeah, I might do a weekend stream where we can get some of this stuff done. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.